review.
iPhone 16 Pro Max, Desert Titanium 512 GB. Okay, this one Canada set. Now I will start to unboxing this phone. It's brand new, it's sealed. See guys, it's sealed. Let's start. I give you just wait. He open. Okay, bolo. Okay. Okay la. Turn on la. Okay. He want to transfer the data or no?
No.
He don't have phone.
Kat mana dulu?
Boleh oh.
Kalau transfer data kat phone dulu, kat sini ke macam ni? Oh ya, tak boleh.
Okay, I activate. Ada Apple ID? Tak ada. Okay, I show you. Now I will activate. Say English, Malaysia.
Yes sir, request sir.
Now they will activate. You have Gmail? He have?
Ada Gmail. Email ada. Buat baru.
Okay. Ada number? Okay.
Make everything new.
No problem. I make, but I need just Gmail because if Gmail, then very easily to make a Apple ID. Don't transfer, setup, don't use, agree, continue, continue, continue. Okay, setup later, continue, don't share.
Mau ambil kamera.
Take this phone. No problem. You make lah. Take this phone. He want to make video. Next. You do next. Ini bahasa Malaysia, English. Okay. Okay. Okay.
Continue.
Okay. Done. Now I make for you Apple ID.
No tempering. But a small one, replace. I do giant.
Making new Apple ID.
But it's a lemon, very nice. But this one online. I think counter thing. Chore counter design, chore. The lemon, very nice.
Okay, verify email.
No, this one no gift.
Send code. Okay, this is the code. 884880. Done. Now I check here. Okay, the email ID. I will download the WhatsApp. asking password.
Bang, repair ke bang? Ni phone second hand ke bang? Cari apa model bang?
Now they ask for verification or review. Okay, after 50 minutes. Let's download Instagram, download TikTok. Done. Now they say you need to do this one, save. After you no need to put again password. Yeah.
Second, dia password dah save dalam phone.
Continue automatic download. Yeah.
Lagi minta dia.
Done. See. Apps downloading.
Can you put the password?
Yeah. I give you.
Okay.
I show you now. See. Now I show you the Apple warranty also.
Bosan lah.
See.
Kita kerja untuk kumpul duit, untuk beli barang.
Abang.
Warranty start from today. Okay. Okay. Now I show you this one.
Baju, emas.
See. Brand new. The battery cycle is 0.
Kita pun, abang mana punya? Abang ada kumpul duit tak?
Ada ni?
Itulah best. Jangan pula borong dengan minum. Boleh minum. Aku tak cakap boleh minum. Biasa. 1 tahun 1 kali. Semua sekali baru beli.
Janganlah satu kali.
Tapi ini 1 kali dah. Aku tahu abang percaya. Okay. Tapi lain kali lah. Nanti abang beli lah. 70 komen. 70 komen. Dia lebih kurang je 70 komen dengan ni. Ni kamera dia side kamera dia. Abang tengok dari sini. Abang boleh pilih-pilih. Tapi jangan ambil jaket set. Abang tolong bagi tahu kawan-kawan abang. Set lain dan India pun boleh, ini pun sama je. India boleh ambil, Malaysia boleh, Turkey boleh, Canada boleh. Hello, brother. Hi, brother. Sunny.
See action, huh? Anne? See his action. Yesterday he bought new AirPods.
Nanti dia buat ni tu. Semua dia buat ni. Nanti kau masuk ni. Kau nak nama apa baru ni.
Now you give some feedback for me. In Malay, no problem.
Sangat puati lah. Phone ni okey, ori, baru. Harga pun murah. Senang deal.
Servis baik.
What?
Servis pun baik. So, sila datang ke kedai kita.
Now you speak in Tamil.
நல்ல சர்வீஸ் கொடுப்போம். நீ திருப்பி நம்ம கடைக்கு வாங்க.